The equation of a line. Our general equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. This m is the gradient and the c is the y-intercept. This is our basic equation of a straight line. This one will help us, if we've ever got a graph, help us decide what the equation of the straight line is, and if we've ever given a straight line, it helps us easily read off what the gradient is and what the y-intercept is. So for example, if we got y equals 3x minus 1, we know it crosses the y-axis at minus 1. We know it's got a gradient of 3, which is positive, quite steep positive. If the coordinate x1, y1 lines on the line, we can say y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. That's a much neater version of the formula. It's exactly the same, it gives you the same answers, but it's a lot better for more complicated questions. We'll look at an example of this. We'll find the equation of the line that passes through 311 and minus 127. Two things we need to know. We need to know a point on the line. We're given two of them. And we need to know the gradient. To work out the gradient, we're going to use a formula we've learnt previously. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Increasing y over the increase in x. So that's 27 minus 11 over minus 1 minus 3. That tells us 16 over minus 4, which we can simplify down to minus 4. We have a gradient of minus 4, so that's our m. We're going to do y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So that's going to tell us y minus, and we can pick either one of these coordinates, so we're going to pick the 11, equals minus 4x minus 3. You could leave your answer like that, but I'm going to tidy it up. Y minus 11 equals minus 4x plus 12, the minus times the minus to the plus. Y equals minus 4x plus 23, moving the 11 across to the other side. We'll just have a look at another example. Find the equation of the line passing through 1, 4 and is parallel to 2y plus 3x equals 7. The line 2y plus 3x equals 7 isn't in our standard y equals mx plus c, so it's hard for us to tell what the gradient is straight away. So we're going to do a slight rearrangement of it. We're going to move the x to the other side and we're going to divide through by the 2, so we get the y equals. If we do that, we end up with y equals minus 3 over 2x plus 7 over 2. It's the gradient of this that's the important thing, so the gradient here is minus 3 over 2. So we're looking for a line which is parallel to this, so that means we need a line with the same gradient as this. We want it to pass through the point 1, 4, so we're going to do y minus 4 equals minus 3 over 2 x minus 1. Again, you could leave your answer like this, but I'm going to tidy it up. Move the 2 across, I end up with 2y minus 8. Expand out the bracket, I end up with minus 3x plus 3. Stick everything onto making it positive. I get 2y plus 3x equals 11. Thank you.